Come Wednesday, the winter session of Parliament will resume the last of the 15 Lok Sabha. And even as there is concern that this Lok Sabha may end up as the worst performing house since independence in terms of the legislative business transacted, political parties seem to be once again pulling in different directions, signalling lack of unanimity on the issues before Parliament. The lack of consensus became apparent when opposition parties struck discordant notes after Parliamentary Affairs Minister Kamal Nath convened an all-party meeting in a bid to forge a consensus on 39 bills, including 6 pending anti-corruption bills and the Telangana bill ahead of the session.
जो भ्रष्टाचार के हमारे बिल हैं, 6 बिल हैं, उनको पारित किया जाए। वोट ऑन अकाउंट है, रेलवेज का और जो फाइनेंस का, इसको भी पारित करके ये सेशन राजनीति से ऊपर उठकर अपना कार्य करें।
On the offensive, the BJP, while all the listed bills in principle sought to pin the responsibility on the government for little significant legislative work in session after session.
हमें बिलों को पारित करने में कोई आपत्ति नहीं है, लेकिन बहुत बड़ा प्रश्न ये है कि क्या कांग्रेस के सांसद सदन को चलने देंगे और पिछले 2 बार जैसा हुआ वैसा हंगामा नहीं होगा।
In an indication that ensuring a smooth session will be a challenge for the government, 3 political parties demanded that financial bills be prioritized and the session be curtailed, fearing disruption by MPs opposed to a separate state of Telangana. While Trinamool Congress suggested holding the session between February 17th and 21, Samajwadi Party and JDU said the session should be between February 12 and 21.
वोट ऑन अकाउंट जो रेलवे बजट और जनरल बजट पर वितर्क होगा, बहस होगा, 12 और 17 का दिन दिया, वो दिन बदल दिया जाए और 1 हफ्ता में ये सेशन में बहुत अच्छा से ये सदन चल सके, इसी विषय को आगे लेके आइए।
चाहे वो वोट एंड अकाउंट लेना हो, चाहे इंटरिम बजट लाना हो, इसके अलावा किसी विधेयक को नहीं लाया जाना चाहिए, क्योंकि इस सेशन के तत्काल बाद आचार संहिता लागू हो जाएगी।
Seeking to put the ball in the government's court to ensure a smooth session, CPM suggested that if the government wanted the 39 listed bills to be passed, it should come up with a strategy to tackle the Telangana issue so that the House proceedings are not disrupted.
12 days to consider 39 bills is just out of the question. So we told the government, you please prioritize.
While the Congress hopes that the passage of the anti-graft bills will give its anti-corruption poll plank an edge, the possible confrontation in Parliament on the Telangana bill, which has many parties divided on regional lines, may decide the fate of this session. Bureau Report, DD News.